It all started with this shell-shaped shelf that my sister gave me. Rattan shell-shaped shelf. This is what I did to it. So guys, I redid my bathroom. I did a little something. It's not that big of a bathroom, but you know the thrift queen had to find something to do. So this is the color thing right here. I thrifted this picture for $5. So I ran into JCPenney's. I had to get some new towels. And y'all, this is the golden piece right here. This little rack. This little toilet paper holder. It has a phone rest on it. I picked it up from Walmart for like $5 or something, you guys. Here you see my dirt cheap chair, what you call ottoman, I put in the bathroom. Yes, I needed an ottoman. And a couple of pillows. They are thrifted. And my sister-in-law, I think, gave me one of those pillows. But they are thrifted, $2. So this is going in. My shower curtain and everything. It all came from JCPenney's. They were having a sale. I love these colors. Okay? And I just threw a brown rug in there. But yeah, y'all check it out. Tell me what you think. I love honey. I love the color honey, gold. And the whole olive green kind of vibe is my thing, you guys. Y'all know those are my colors. So, yeah, this is where it started at, you guys. The picture was $5. I thrifted it. Those sisters, girls up in there rocking the braids and afro. You know, that's my kind of swag, you know. And this $5 phone rest toilet paper holder was bomb. Y'all go pick this up. I found this at Walmart. I think it was like $5-ish, okay? And yeah, and the picture came from the flea market for $5. I had to have it. And this is how it all started, with this shell rattan shelf that my sister gave me that I had no clue what to do with. But it's the toilet paper holder that might be kind of crazy looking. And I had this little thrifted jar that I put a piece of flour in. Yes, it's live. Flowers love to grow in the bathroom because the humidity is there and the moisture is in there. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Thank you.